In this video, I'll show you exactly how to embed an Outgrow quiz in WordPress step by step, while giving you a quick rundown of why Outgrow is such a powerful tool for boosting engagement and generating leads. Let's start with Outgrow. If you haven't heard of it yet, Outgrow is an interactive content creation tool that allows you to create engaging quizzes, surveys, calculators, and other interactive experiences that drive user engagement. It's a go-to tool for marketers who want to capture attention and convert visitors into leads. Now, embedding your Outgrow quiz in WordPress is pretty simple, and I'll walk you through it. But first, if you're new to Outgrow, or even if you're a seasoned pro, you can get started completely free using the link below for exclusive bonuses. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to embed your quiz seamlessly, and also how you can start using Outgrow to its fullest potential. All right, here's how you embed an Outgrow quiz into WordPress. First, create your quiz on Outgrow's platform. Once you're happy with your quiz, whether it's a simple personality quiz or a lead capture form, click on the Publish button in the top right corner of your Outgrow dashboard. You'll see an option for Embed, and you'll want to select that. Outgrow will give you a piece of code to add to your website. Copy the code provided. Now, switch over to your WordPress dashboard. If you're using the default WordPress block editor, Gutenberg, you'll use the custom HTML block. If you're using the classic editor, just click the Text tab where you typically add your content. Now paste that code into the HTML section. It's that simple. If you're using Gutenberg, just paste it into the block and update the page or post. If you're using a page builder like Elementor, you'll find an HTML widget to drop that code in. Once you've added the code, make sure to hit Update or Publish. Your quiz should now be live on your WordPress site. You can always preview the page first to ensure everything looks good. If it's not showing up, just double check that you pasted the embed code correctly and that you've published both your Outgrow quiz and WordPress page. A lot of people love using Outgrow quizzes because they can really drive engagement, especially when you're combining them with lead capture forms. Outgrow's quizzes are also completely customizable, so you can tweak the design to match your website's look and feel. This means your quiz won't look like a generic piece of content. It'll blend in seamlessly with your site, keeping your users engaged. Now, a cool feature that Outgrow offers is the ability to collect valuable analytics. As soon as people start interacting with your quiz, you'll have access to detailed metrics on their behavior, which can help you refine your marketing strategies. If you're using the quiz for lead generation, Outgrow also lets you integrate with your email marketing platforms, CRM systems, and other marketing tools. That's a huge plus if you want to nurture leads down the line. Before you go, remember, if you're looking to dive deeper into Outgrow, or you're new to the software and want to get started for free, check out the link below for our exclusive and extended free trial. This is the perfect opportunity to try it out risk-free and see how it can enhance your business. I hope this quick guide helped you learn how to embed your Outgrow quiz in WordPress easily. Don't forget to check out the first link below to grab your exclusive bonuses. See you in the next video.